Kartik, the most funny thing is I recently read Bill Gates' book, How to Avoid a Climate Disaster. Now I fail to understand this guy. One day he says that Bitcoin is very good, it has a good future. But on the other hand, he's concerned about climate change. So, and you know that when you are mining Bitcoins, it has a lot of carbon emissions and everything. So this was very funny for me that you are on one hand you are promoting an activity which is contributing to climate change, and then on the other hand you are saying that we should take measures for climate change.
No, but you said Bitcoin mining has carbon emission effects, is it?
Yes. Even according to some estimates, some of the some of the Bitcoin experts have said that like Switzerland, how much electricity that whole country uses in a year is somehow is equivalent to be used for mining of some Bitcoins. I'm not talking about thousands of Bitcoins. If you have to mine some Bitcoins, then you have to use energy equivalent to the yearly requirements of Switzerland. So you can understand how much energy you need, how much carbon emissions are there when it comes to Bitcoin mining. So that is an issue. When it comes to Warren Buffett, you see Warren Buffett is somehow, I agree with Warren Buffett because Bitcoin is a bubble, and if I'm someone who is into shares and everything, I will stay away from Bitcoin. You see, even the same thing was said by Rakesh Jhunjhunwala also. And when a person knows about share market, he knows the potential of investing into shares and stock market. He will not at all touch Bitcoins. He will not at all invest into Bitcoins.
100%.
Yes, it may happen
100%.
वो बस इतना कर लेगा कि हाँ भाई चल ठीक है, लोगों को दिखाने के लिए 5% डाल देता हूँ, दैट्स इट. बट दे विल नॉट वेस्ट देयर टाइम इनटू बिटकॉइन और समथिंग लाइक दिस. हाँ, वो ये देखते रहेंगे कि भैया वो क्या एडवांसमेंट हो रही है, क्या टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ रही है, क्या है क्या नहीं है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू इन्वेस्टमेंट, दीज गाइज आर वेरी प्रूडेंट एंड दीज गाइज आर वेरी एजुकेटेड एंड एवरीथिंग.
और एक और बात है, लाइक इफ यू सी बिटकॉइन, a share has an underlying, share price will increase or decrease based on the performance of a company. ठीक है, so you can judge अगर revenue is increasing, profits are increasing, company is doing well, means obviously you can buy the share price. What is the underlying in Bitcoin? There's no underlying in Bitcoin. People say it was actually created. Actually, people say it was created. It is a decentralized mechanism, so that there is no government or financial institution which can control. Like people are saying, as of now, governments of various countries can print money. And if they print money, inflation will increase, and normal people will get affected. So to remove all that, they created Bitcoin so that it does not have any control of any authority. It's a decentralized, and there is only 21 million Bitcoins which is a supply. So its price is totally dependent on demand and supply. People are telling, but it's so funny. Actually, I want to tell our viewers, if it is actually based on demand and supply, why does it move up and down based on tweet of Elon Musk? Just because Elon Musk comes in a chat show, in a TV program, he says something, suddenly Dogecoin price crashed. If it is the demand and supply, the tweet should not have any effect. Which means Bitcoin is also working like share market. It is also like news. Some news of company, bhai ye company is getting this project, share price increases. Bitcoin is actually decentralized, but it's not working like that.
It does not have any basis. Bitcoin does not have any basis because you see, if अगर कल को यार न्यूज आती है कि भाई 5G ट्रायल्स हो रहे हैं, रिलायंस इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग, तो तुम्हें पता है भाई रिलायंस का शेयर बढ़ेगा. You will go and purchase Reliance shares if you know कि भाई महीने 2 महीने बाद ट्रायल्स होने और something like this. But when it comes to Bitcoin, how on earth can you predict कि यार आज Elon Musk का ट्वीट आएगा, या फिर आज जो है जेफ बेजोस का ट्वीट आएगा, या आज बिल गेट्स कुछ बोलेगा और something like this. You cannot predict this thing. इनका जब मन करेगा ये लोग ट्वीट करेंगे. And you should not take everything what they are saying at face value. You cannot take them at face value. Just see what is the basis behind Bitcoin. It is just one sort of currency which does not have any basis, does not have anything. Just कि यार demand बढ़ रही है तो आपने जो है उसको खरीदना start कर दिया, उसके prices बढ़ा दिए.
Exactly. So I think and what I would say is like Bitcoin is still very new. Just 13 years. 2008 only it got started. Abhi 2021 it is just 13 years. It's just in a very small plant. It has to. Whereas share market is a big tree in India or world over. But even if you take share market, people still call share market as सट्टा बाजार है भाई, gambling है, ये है वो है, but they are investing in Bitcoin. मतलब share market after so many years, only now we have I think around how many, how many some last 2020 only share market saw a lot of millennials, young people coming into share market. Still share market itself, I will say people don't have much knowledge. मतलब ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं है. People who know in farmers background or who are in share market, no. So still share market, I will say, is under-penetrated in India. Lot of opportunities there. And I think 3 to 4% of the population only invests in share market, or so whereas compared to our developed countries.
Sometimes I think that investing in Bitcoin is just like you are betting on a cricket match, because you see, in that also there is 50% chance. Like you remember that movie Imran Hashmi's Jannat ki bhai चौका लगेगा या छक्का लगेगा. There is 50% चांस कि भैया मतलब जो आप चाह रहे हो, जो डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट आपको चाहिए, वो चीज होगी, है ना. नाउ एंड उसका कोई बेसिस नहीं था कि आप एक मैच देख रहे हो एंड आप उसमें सट्टा मार रहे हो एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. दिस इज जस्ट लाइक दैट कि आपने बिटकॉइन देखा, आपने देखा कि हाँ भाई आगे ऐसा हो सकता है, आपने ट्वीट कर दिया एंड आपने खरीदना स्टार्ट कर दिया. But when it comes to share market, आपको पता है कि भाई there is balance sheet, there are financials, there are technicals, there are many more things, charts and everything, PE ratio वगैरह वगैरह, volatility index and all those things. You can somehow predict कि यार आगे किस तरीके से जा सकता है, क्या है क्या नहीं. It is much more safer.
At least broad prediction, not exact, but at least broad prediction.
Broad prediction is possible. When it comes to Bitcoin, you cannot make any prediction. Even if you ask me कि यार आज से 5 साल बाद बिटकॉइन का क्या प्राइस होगा, I do not know. In fact, I do not know whether it will be existing at that point of time or not. Because say for example 2022-23 में होगा $1 million हो गया बिटकॉइन, and the other maybe say after 2 more years it is like यार हैक हो गया and Bitcoin was just a scam and it is no more a cryptocurrency. What will happen? So you do not know कि साले आगे वो भी होगा नहीं होगा, आगे कुछ पता ही नहीं है इसका क्या है क्या नहीं है. हाँ, अगर आपको रेगुलेशंस हो जाए, सब कुछ है तो करो यार, बिंदास करो, इन्वेस्ट, किसने मना करा है. बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो कि भाई which thing is regulated and which is not, and do not take anyone's word at face value, whether it is Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Narendra Modi or whatever.
Yeah, I think that is a very valid point. I agree with that. And also one more thing, like people, I think there's one more thing that people want to make money very easily just by investing in Bitcoin. And but that is not right also. Like, like if you want to invest in shares, obviously you'll have to do some hard work, man. You'll have to read company's balance sheet, see sales, profit and loss, have some information, do some research on that company. So that requires some effort. I mean, if you understand people that money making is not an easy objective. Like if you want to, you have to make money, means you have to give your time, your effort, investment, give knowledge. It's not very easy that, we see Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is so rich, but he has given that effort also. He has read, researched about companies, given his time, knowledge, he has gained knowledge and then invested and made money. So if you want to just make money without doing any hard work, then please go to a casino or, Mahalakshmi race course in Mumbai.
नहीं, वो आजकल एप्स नहीं आ रही. ₹1 डालो, 1 करोड़ रुपए जीतो. वो टीम बनाते हैं and all those things. I will not take the names, but you know what I'm trying to say.
I mean
ये and last year से कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है कि भाई everyone wants to make a quick buck. इनका ये होता है कि भाई जल्दी पैसे कमाने and all those things. And ये usually these are people who are not at all financially literate. These were people who did not save money in their lives. And जब कोरोना आया तो इनकी वो हो गई, मतलब they were like stuck कि भाई क्या करें क्या नहीं करें and all those things, and savings खत्म हो गई. And फिर इनको लगा कि यार नौकरी तो है नहीं, काम नहीं है, वो सब नहीं है, तो चलो यार let's make some quick money. So they somehow got seduced by this phenomena called Bitcoin and all. And चाहे आप ये कसिनो वाली एप्स हो गई या फिर इवन मैंने देखा यार पेटीएम हो गया, गूगल पे हो गया, इन सब में आपको देखो कसिनो और ये पता नहीं कौन से और गेम्स वगैरह चलते हैं. people are investing like hell कि भाई इतने रुपए डालेंगे इतना मिल जाएगा, टीम बना लो, ये है वो है. You have to understand. You have to understand that there is
one more thing, and ये जो people invest कर देते हैं and without knowing it, तो मैं मतलब they want to make double, मतलब 25 दिन में पैसे double, like lot of memes of hera fairy is going on. I mean, you want to double your money in 6 months, 1 year. It's not possible every time. ठीक है?
Right.
When and one more thing. एक बार मतलब
यार नहीं बाबू भैया पैसे दे दो 25 दिन में डबल हो जाएगा.
and also मतलब and after they lose money they come and criticize that share market is bad or Bitcoin is bad. They should understand मतलब you have not done proper understanding, or you have got a loss and you start blaming externally that share market is satta bazaar, share market matlab is gambling, I have lost money in share market, so it is bad. These are the people who then without knowing they invest, come inside, and then they exit and they criticize the the system.
This is the main problem, because you see people are not at all interested in getting financially educated, especially here in India, and that is the reason why they they get drawn to all these sort of schemes. If you type get how to get rich on YouTube, you will get millions and millions of videos with millions and millions of views. There are so many people who want to get rich like very quickly, and they are like यार जल्द से हम कुछ ऐसा कर ले, कोई तिजोरी की हमें चाबी मिल जाए जिससे हम वो खोलें और सामने 2000 के नोट वो गिर रहे हैं, all those things, या सोने के सिक्के गिर रहे हैं. तो यार देखो ये सब ऐसे नहीं होता है. मतलब you have to
money making is a very scientific, you have to be it's a craft. I mean it's something which you can learn over a period of time.
एक चीज और है यार, जैसे मतलब a few days back I uploaded a video कि how to get out of poverty in India. आप उसमें और I would request all your viewers कि अगर आप लोग मेरे चैनल पे जाते हो तो उस वीडियो को जरूर आप देखना. I have explained the story which I have shared. I have explained that a person, he was earning 80 rupees a day, and then he went on to earning lakhs, like 1 or 2 lakhs rupees per month. So यार ये स्लो प्रोसेस है. एक इंसान कैसे पॉवर्टी से मिडिल क्लास में आया, अपर मिडिल क्लास में आया, वो मैंने उस वाले वीडियो में आप लोग को समझाया है. आप लोग को उसमें समझ में आएगा. इट टुक हिम around 8 to 9 years to do that.
So the underlying, if I just want to conclude this conversation today, so the conclusion which I would feel is would be like, read more about Bitcoins, take your time. It's not that if you don't invest today, never you can invest in the future. You can invest 5 years later also and make money after 5 years. It's not that if you miss today, you can never do that. It's not like that. So get knowledge about, slowly keep acquiring knowledge. It's not that the next 1 month itself you have to become master in Bitcoin. No, keep acquiring knowledge slowly over a period of time. A lot of content is available, courses are available. And if you want to invest, nothing wrong. We are not discouraging you to invest, but we in this video gave you perspective of long term, short term, Bitcoin versus shares. Risk appetite, if you want to have the risk, and examples of how actually Bitcoin has worked in the last few days, and whether you are risky enough to do that. If you want, nothing like that. If you want to invest, if you have that so much of risk, I want to take that risk, nothing wrong, please take that risk. We are not stopping you. But generally a normal person who wants to save also and not lose money, so we would kind of say the thumb rule would be to invest 5% of your portfolio in the Bitcoin, and see over a period of time if it goes well, you can retain or sell it. And if it's not going bad, not going good, then you can, so that 5% you don't lose a big portion. Also, you can still have other investments in your portfolio. So I think that is a good conclusion with this I think of our discussion, Himanshu. So.
And last thing I would like to add, we are living in a world where every information is freely available. It will just take 3 or 4 days for people to mug up each and everything related to Bitcoin. So better you take all the knowledge which is available on the internet, and like study about Bitcoin, study about Ethereum, study about Dogecoin and all Litecoin and all these different sort of cryptos which are there in the market, and then take a prudent decision that whether I should invest my money or not. 5%, 10%, whatever is your choice. But yes, we do not think that more than 5% should be invested at this point of time. But I think make an informed decision. That at the end I would just say this.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Ivanshu, for your time, and I think we had really good conversation, and I think our viewers also would have got a lot of perspective from investment point of view, Bitcoin or shares, मतलब कौन किसमें invest करें. So thank you, Imanshu. Thank you so much. Let's hope to have more engaging conversations in Pambarla.
Sure, Karthik. Thanks for this opportunity, and I wish all the best to all your viewers who are looking forward to investing in Bitcoin or share market, whatever feels right to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.